Welcome back. If you're a new subscriber here, I'm really glad to have you. For me, trading stocks, learning about investing and understanding money management has been one of the best things that ever happened to me. Well, I used to be broke all the time, even though I was making good money. But now I've learned how to save, invest, and build wealth step by step. Today, I've been able to grow different portfolios, now worth 8 figures, and I'm super excited to share everything I've learned, what I'm learning now, and what I will still learn along my wealth journey with you. So today I want to share with you the results of my 1-year investment in Nigerian stocks, because many people still don't see value in buying Nigerian stocks. If you buy the right portfolios in Nigerian stocks, you can make good money. So last year I put 100,000 naira into 7 different companies, and today I will show you exactly how much each has grown, how much profit I made, and the total value of my portfolio now. If you are curious about what happens when you hold Nigerian stocks for a full year, keep watching, and please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share to anyone who is interested in buying Nigerian stock. And the reason why you should not miss any moment in this video is because I'm going to be sharing 5 other stocks I'm watching with bigger potential. So make sure you watch every part of this video. Now let's get into it. I spread my money across 7 stocks, 100,000 each. One is Better Glass, TIP, Livestock, ABC Trans, Naimate, UACN, and AICO. I will start breaking down how many shares I was able to buy with 100,000 naira for each of these stocks. Now, number 1 is Better Glass. Why did I choose to buy Better Glass? Better Glass, the industry is glass containers. Better Glass is a Nigerian leading producer of glass bottles and containers used by breweries, soft drink companies, and pharmaceutical firms. Their products are everywhere. People use glass containers from these breweries, from Coca-Cola and all these bigger breweries. They use glass containers, and that is why the company Better Glass will stay for a very long time, and they will still become more and more profitable. Now that is why I choose Better Glass. Now let's see the performance of Better Glass. Now I bought it September 2024, price 44.5, and now 486 naira. Total share bought what 2,247.19, and the value today 1,092,128.59. Total profit from Better Glass is now at 92,000 plus. You can see about now at 92% profit. That is almost 10x of my money. Now, number 2 is TIP. TIP. Why did I choose to buy TIP? TIP, the Initiates PLC, the Industry Waste Management and Industrial Services. TIP provides waste management, recycling, and industrial cleaning service for oil and gas companies. They handle hazardous waste, which is a niche but critical sector. You all know that Nigerians still rely mostly on oil and gas. That is what is moving the economy. And company like TIP, they are service providers. They are going to stay for long, and that's why I choose to buy. So before you consider to buy a stock, you need to look at the industry. What are they doing? With what they are doing be relevant even 5-10 years or more years from now on. That is how you choose the stocks you want to buy. Now let's see the performance of TIP. September 2024 price 1.75 naira. That is 1 naira 75 kobo. And now 11 naira 90 kobo. Shares bought 57,142.86, and the value today is 679,999, almost 700,000 naira. So I made 579,000 profit, almost 580,000 naira profit. That is 580% profit from 100,000 naira invested over a 1-year period on TIP. And 3 is Livestock. The company is Livestock Feeds. The industry is agriculture, animal feeds. Livestock feed produces animal feed for poultry and other farm animals. Agriculture is very huge in Nigeria. And imagine how many farms, how many livestock farms we have in Nigeria. That means this company will be relevant for many years. That was why I bought it last year. Things like chicken, poultry food is very important in Nigeria, and feed companies stand to benefit as farmers expand, as there are other farms and all other existing farms are becoming bigger. And this is more reason why I choose to buy livestock feed. Now let's see how much my 100,000 naira worth today. September 2024, I bought it for 2 naira 6 kobo, and this month, September 2025, 7.75 naira. Total shares bought then was 48,543 shares, and today's value 375,714, and profit 275,714.28. Total profit percentage is 275.7% from 100,000 naira invested. And now let's go to the next, and that is ABC Trans. Why did I choose to buy ABC Trans? The company name is ABC Transport, and they are into transport and logistics business. You all know ABC Transport. They are very popular in Nigeria. ABC Transport is one of Nigeria's most popular interstate transport companies. They move thousands of passengers and cargo across the country daily. Even with challenges in transportation, Nigerian travels every day. The company has strong brand recognition, and the stock was extremely cheap. Last year, ABC Transport was trading at 0.79 naira. That is 79 kobo. For a company like ABC Transport, can you imagine? And this recent price, September price, is 4 naira 30 kobo. My 100,000 naira bought 126,582 shares, and today's value is 544,301 naira. Total profit made for my 100,000 naira invested in ABC Trans is 444,300 naira. Now, profit is 444%. My 100,000 naira now turned to 444,000 naira. Now, can you see? So, when you are buying shares of a company, you need to find out what the company is doing. Now, see if they are into essential things Nigeria need, things that will not go away sooner, things that will still be available in many years from now. That is how you choose the stocks you want to buy. So next is Naimet. Why did I choose to buy Naimet? Naimet is in pharmaceutical and healthcare industry. Naimet is a Nigerian pharma company producing drugs for malaria, pain relief, and animal health. They've been around for decades. Why I bought? Healthcare is non-negotiable. People will always need medicine. With rising health awareness in Nigeria, I believe the company had growth potential. Now imagine last year, 2024 September, Naimet was 1 naira 76 kobo, and now the price is 6.6 naira 5 kobo. Now the shares I bought then was 56,818 Naimet shares, and today's value 343,045 naira. Profit made 243,045. Profit percentage is 243% from 100,000 naira invested to 343,045 naira. Now let's move to the next stock. The next stock is UACN. Name of the company is UAC of Nigeria. UAC is a combination of many companies, many products. They are into food, real estate, paints, and logistics. You can see these are also essential things. UAC is one of the Nigeria's oldest company with interest in food productions, paints, property development, and logistics. Their brands are well known in Nigerian households. Why I bought? I like UACN for its diversification. They are into many things. I bought UACN September 2024 price 18.86 naira. A share of UACN cost 18.86 naira, and this month September each cost 73 naira. So total shares bought was 5,306, and now total value becomes 387,409. Profit made 287,409. Profit percentage is 287.4%. And lastly, AIICO. AIICO is an insurance company. They offer financial services and insurance. AIICO is one of the Nigeria's leading insurance companies, providing life, health, and general insurance. They also have pensions and asset management services. Last year, September, AIICO share price cost 1 naira 8 kobo as at September 2024. and now 3 naira 49 kobo. Total shares bought then was 92,592.59, and the value today is 324,119 naira. Total profits made 224,119 naira. 224% growth. So my 100,000 naira becomes 324,000 naira. As you can see, the total investment on this 7 stock is 700,000 naira. Total profits made 3,046,612 naira 94 kobo. What is the point? The point is Nigeria economy is growing. And if you can get yourself positioned to buy those companies, buy the shares of the company you trust, companies you use their products, and companies you research about, you can buy it and hold it. Buying Nigerian stocks is a very brilliant and good way to build wealth in Nigeria. And now to the stocks I mentioned. I said I'm going to give you 5 other stocks that I'm watching for bigger potential. Like I said, this is going to be a bonus for you for watching my video today. Now, when I say watch list, I don't buy stocks to sell tomorrow. I don't do day trading in stocks. I invest in stocks for a long time. Sometimes it can be 3 months, can be 4 months, can be a year, can be more. Now, here are my stock watch list. Topics to watch for 2026 growth. Now, number 1 of it is NEM Insurance. NEM Insurance PLC, current price is 31.20, 31 naira 20 kobo. While I'm watching NEM, the Nigerian insurance sector is showing real momentum after regulatory reforms and growing public awareness. NEM has improved profitability and market share, making it a strong candidate as insurance adoption rises. I like its market position and potential for both earnings and multiple expansion into 2026. And number 2 is Presco. Presco current price is 1,480 naira. Now, while I'm watching Presco is a leading palm oil producer with steady revenue and strong export potential. Palm oil demand remains durable locally and internationally, and Presco's efficient operations and scale give it an edge to grow earnings through 2026. And 3 is MTN Nigeria. Current price is 435 naira. Telecom communication. MTN is more than telco. Its push into fintech, mobile money, and 5G infrastructure give it multiple growth levers in Nigeria. Digital payment and data usage are still expanding, and MTN stands to monetize this trend strongly by 2026. Don't joke with MTN. They might pivot into artificial intelligence in 2026. 4 is Ella Lakes PLC. Current price 12.98. They are into agri-bees. Why I am watching Ella Lakes? Ella Lake is scaling its palm oil and agribusiness operations aggressively. It is a higher risk, higher reward pick for 2026. And lastly, Aradel Holdings. Current price 511.20 kobo. They are into energy sector. Aradel has meaningful upstream and midstream assets that can benefit from stable oil prices and improved local production. The company has the scale to deliver earnings growth and is exposed to long cycle energy projects that could pay off by 2026. And that is it for today, guys. But let me say this before you go. Stocks go up and down, and past performance cannot dictate future performance. So before you buy any stocks, do your own research, and don't buy stocks with the money you want to use to pay your rent, to pay your school fees, or your emergency saving. Buy stocks with the money you have separated for investments. Thank you for watching today. Please again subscribe, like, turn on the notification bells, because I have other stock contents I want to share with you. Thank you again, and I see you in the next one.